How to make money online. Wow. There are so many ways to make money online. So many ways, okay? And there are thousands of videos out there showing you how to make money online. You understand? But in this video, what I want to teach you, I want to teach you important skills. Okay, you must learn if you want to make money online. No matter the kind of online business you are into or money making business you are into, you need this skill to be able to excel. If you have this skill, especially if you are talking about making money online, if you have this skill, you will excel. Okay, and you are going to excel massively. So you have to devote time and energy to work on those skills. Number one skill is copywriting. Before we talk about copywriting, that's what we call FOMO, fear of missing out. Fear of missing out. Because there are so many ways to make money online, once somebody introduces a new way to make money online, is you see a lot of people trooping in and subscribing, paying money to learn how to use that approach to make money. Okay. At the end of the day, few people will make money, others will not make money, others will lose out. Okay, suddenly another opportunity will appear again. Someone will also introduce it with all confidence. Okay, then lots of people will quickly join to make money, and eventually few will make money, others will lose out. Why are so many people joining? It is because of fear of missing out. Do you understand me? Fear of missing out. And those that are introducing these opportunities, they understood clearly how to use all the skills I'm going to list it to make a lot of people subscribe to it. They maximize this fear of losing out and they use it to persuade people to join. And at the end of the day, not all of them will make money. Some will lose out. That's why some people, if you tell them, they'll tell you that they've what all these influencers are saying, that they're lying, that they have tried all those things that saying it's not working. It is working. Only that there is a skill you need to learn to make it work for you. And number one skill, like I've said before, is copywriting skill. Copywriting skill. You need to learn how to write persuasively. Because we're in online space and a lot of people will read what was written. Okay, they will read the content you wrote. If it is persuasive enough, then they will subscribe to whatever you want to sell. Because most of the product will come most of the products you are going to make money with online are product you are going to sell to people or invite people to buy. I'll explain to people how it is used and persuade them to buy the product or subscribe to the product. And for you to do that, you need to learn how to write persuasively. So that whatever social media or internet platform you're using to make money online, you know what to write and how to write it to persuade people to buy. You get the idea now. So that's why copywriting is very important. In case if you don't know what copywriting is just learning how to write persuasively, how to write to make people perform certain actions. So you write in such a way that you exploit the emotion of people. You exploit people's emotion, okay, with your writing and make them perform at the action you want to perform. Do you get it? That is copywriting. If you master it, you've gotten the first skill. And the second skill is persuasive power. You need to learn how to persuade people with your word, the word of your mouth. Okay? Public speaking, persuasive power. Do you understand me? If you learn this skill, oh my God. Have you seen some products online that are selling like crazy? You shake, why are they selling like crazy? Most times it might be because of the person and what the person says about that product and the way the person said it. He emphasized it so much. such a way that people were, oh my God, I won't want to lose this opportunity. Just because of what the person said, because of the way he said it. If you master this, oh my God. Oh my God. Another very important skill, which is the last one, I will put all of them together right now, is confidence. I don't know if confidence is a skill or a quality, whatever it is. You must have confidence. Oh my God. You must have confidence in what you want to sell to people. And you have to show people that you have confidence in it. You have to show people that you are sure of what you are doing, of what you are saying, of what you are persuading them about. This is so important. If you know how to do it, how to make it, even if it warrant acting it, but I wouldn't want you to act. I want it to come naturally. So you learn it. Convince yourself that this thing is working. Find a way to make people, as in to say something that can exude an emotion that will make people buy. Okay? Once you are confident in a product you want to sell online, and you know how to talk about that product to emphasize what the product can do, you know how to emphasize the pain points of people that need this product. You know how to emphasize what these people that need this product will lose if they did not buy this product. And you know how to use all techniques, all marketing techniques, and how to emphasize them naturally. Okay? And you know how to do it with enormous confidence. And you know how to emphasize it with enormous confidence. That's how what you need to sell online. You don't need much. As long as you know how to emphasize and you have the confidence to explain and emphasize to people that if you don't do this now, you are missing out. Okay, you let them know that later that people will now come and give testimonials of how many millions of dollars they made, and you just trying to lose this opportunity because of this little amount of money. If you know how to emphasize this very well, boom. If you doubt what I'm telling you, check all the people that are marketing online, all the people that are selling massively online. Why? It is either they're emphasizing or they are very creative. Their creativity is another thing. If you are creative, it's another thing. But these three things I mentioned, like emphasis, if you have if you have this persuasive power, and you have confidence, and you know copywriting, boom, you're good to go. Okay? So focus on mastering this. If you master this, there is no product you cannot sell. If you master this, there is no product you cannot sell. Companies will hire you to sell their product. People will hire you to sell their product. Because these skills, they are not really that common. They're not common. So if you keep learning, you know what? These skills I just mentioned, this is what all these fake pastors, both the good ones and the fake ones, this is what they are using. This is what they are using to keep their congregation. This is what they are using to make their congregation believe so much in them. Apart from those that are going into diabolism, I'm not talking about them. But greater percentage of them, they have eloquence. Okay, they have persuasive power. Okay, and they have confidence. And with this, people trust them easily. And whatever they say, they do. Do you get it? That's why most of these pastors, they go and learn it. They learn the skill. They learn the eloquence. They learn the confidence. They learn the persuasion, how to persuade people. Okay, so that when they explain a certain passage of the Bible, they will emphasize it. Once it benefits them, like when they talk about tithe, you see the way they're going to emphasize it, and they will make you so emotional about it that you feel so bad that you're not paying tithes. They will make you feel so bad that you will remember all the tithes you've not paid before, and you pay all of them. That is what they're using. It works like magic. And that is what we are going to learn. Learn it first before you now start learning other skills that you need. Because once you learn it, there are tons of product to be sold online. So many products to be sold. Okay, and with your power of persuasion and with your confidence, boom, you're going to sell a lot and you're going to make a lot of money. If you like this content, please, I beg you, subscribe to the channel. I just started taking my YouTube channel very seriously, and I assure you I'm going to be posting powerful content, motivational content, educational content, and even entertainment content, because I'm working towards telling you stories, okay, about ICT. I will get stories surrounding ICT and tell you to entertain you. Then I will motivate you to work hard to make money. But please subscribe to the channel, share the videos to get to people that need it, people that are interested in ICT. Share the video to get to them. Then if you need to get to me, then you check the description. You're going to see my contact in the description. You're also going to see the contact of our academy in case if you want to pay for any of our courses, because we sell all ICT skill, all ICT courses. So any ICT course you need, we have it. If you didn't see it in our academy, we can quickly create it for you. Do you understand? So if you want to get to me or you want to ask a question, drop the question in the comment section. If you have any question to ask or any contribution to make, or if you think I'm wrong what I'm saying, or you think I'm right, please just drop something in the comment section. I would appreciate. Thank you so much.